Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can increase a video quality in CapCut and how you can get a better video quality when exporting. So first, you need to prepare your edits or finish your edit first, and then you can just go to adjust, click on the sharpen and increase it to 100, and then click on highlight and lower it into -50, and shadow increase it into 50, and lastly go to saturations and increase it to around 15. Okay, and then you are done. But when exporting the video, you need to use this quality. So this is the result first, and when exporting, click on this box right here first, and you need to make sure that the resolution is on the 1080p and also the frame rate is on 30. And after that, you can just export it, and then you can upload it to your TikTok or maybe Instagram. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.